Alright. I was just thinking, like, literally 5 minutes ago. I was just thinking the way cutters cut, and if people like hurt them, it hurts more, if you know what I mean. Because, well, a couple of years ago, I had my eyebrows done, and I haven't had them done since. So, look, they're so. But yeah, the reason was because my mum, yes, my mum, decided one day that I needed my eyebrows plucked. Whoa! Yeah, I was like, doesn't it hurt? And my mum's like, it might do a wee bit. And this was like before I started cutting myself. And I was like, yeah, alright. So mum got the tweezer, and I hit the roof. Yeah, I was like, ah! Yeah, I hit the bloody roof. I think furthest I got was like 1.5 her. Yeah, half one because I kind of pulled it back. So yeah. Well, I was just like thinking, like, since I've like kind of started cutting out, it doesn't like really hurt to do it myself. It only is like if I like pluck a hair, it is sore, like I would admit that, like, but if someone else did it, like my best friend tried to about a couple weeks ago, because there's been trying to get out my eyebrows for years, so I was like, yeah, day one, that's it. Then no, you done one, and then like nearly, boom, whacked her. Well, nearly did, nearly. So yeah, just a wee thinking thing, just something to think about. Say because yeah, I think I've explained it enough. I don't know how to explain it more, but like it's like if you like hurt yourself, it's not like really sore. Like it is sore, but you know what I mean. But when someone else hurts you, it's not like it is like really sore, and it's worse. It's like I think it's because you don't have like control over what the other person is doing to you. It's like if you hurt yourself, you have control over the pain and what you want to go, how deep and stuff like this. But if the other person hurts you, and you don't have control of that, and self-harm, SI, is about taking control of something, of your life, and yeah, if you don't have that control, it is worse than seems. It's like I just thought of the eyebrow because I was like kind of cut my eyebrow with the scissors where I use my hair to do with, like, literally this is videos like for the last 1 2. I was just getting bored, see if I can cut them because my eyebrows, I don't like them at all. It's like just that, and then it goes lighter, like you can see, like that. I need to go like up a bit more, and then out. I don't have the guts to do it, because I don't know how to do it, and because I don't know how to do it, I won't let anyone else how to. I won't let anyone else do it for me, or go to like a beauty salon and let them wax it up because that is sore. I tried to wax my legs before. I waxed my legs before and it was so sore, believe me. The pain. But yeah, a wee thing to think about. Bye.